Morning. So we're back here at the garage build, and yesterday we got all the shingling finished up. I've got a couple bundles of shingles here to return, and a bit of cleanup to do, haul away a little bit of garbage, and then I'm going to start on the soffit and fascia. So that's going to be my project for today, and likely the next day as well. There's a fair bit to do because I've got to do all the normal soffit area here, plus there's a little wee 4-inch strip or whatever that is up there, so there's a fair bit to do, and it's kind of chilly, so I think it's time to get the coveralls on and get to work. Okay, so end of the day, I got the soffit and fascia on, I don't know, a little over half the building down that side. And then this is what I've got to do back here to do this box gable. And then what'll happen is there's going to be, in this case, vinyl shake siding up in this triangle. So I just needed the fascia along here, just for the bottom edge basically, to make it look right. But you can see pretty much what I got done. And then I got around on this side a little ways as well, so anyways, fairly good day. I was probably only here about maybe 6 hours or something like that, 6.5 hours maybe, and I was pretty happy with what I accomplished. So gonna be away for a couple days for the weekend, and then we'll be back at it.